Hi, I'm Dave from Khan Academy, and this video is an overview of how to set up your classes and rosters on Khan Academy as a teacher. First, log in and you'll see your coach dashboard. You'll find a list of your classes, a list of all the students you coach, and the hub for our teacher resources. You can create a new class here. First, either import your roster from an existing class on Google Classroom, or name a new class from scratch. Next, assign a subject. Scroll down to view the full list of subjects available. You can select one or choose multiple subjects. Don't worry, you can edit your class name and subject later if you change your mind. Next is class rostering. If you use Google Classroom, then we recommend importing your rosters using that method. If your students already have Khan Academy accounts and email addresses, then joining by class code is another good option. If your students are under 13, consider creating accounts for them. We'll generate usernames and passwords. You can edit the passwords to whatever you prefer for your students, and you'll have a chance to download the full list of usernames and passwords for later reference. Students may forget their information, so make sure to download and save this master copy. You can also invite students by email, but if the student is under 13, they will need a parent or guardian to authorize their account by email within 1 week of the invitation. To keep your roster up to date, select a class and go to the Roster tab. If a new student joins your class, click the Add New Students button. If a student switches to a different class period, select the student and then click the Add to Class link. You may also want to remove the student from this class afterwards. If you're no longer teaching a student, select their name and click the Stop Coaching link. That will remove the student from all your class rosters. You may want to empty out your entire class roster at the end of each school year by selecting all students and clicking the Stop Coaching link. Last, let's talk about editing student names. Students can change their usernames by clicking the box with their name on their student home pages and editing the field at the top that says Real Name. As a coach, you can edit any student's display name by hovering over the student and clicking the Edit Display Name link. Type in a new name, click Save or Enter, and you're done. For most other changes to your class, go to the Settings tab. Here, you can edit the class name, change the subject, delete the class altogether, and make other important changes. For more details on these first steps to using Khan Academy, check out our guides at khanacademy.org/resources.